it's very clear that the DNA rungs, you see it's a long twisted chain, but there are rungs on this ladder, and each rung contains 7 units. I just refer you to the books there. You find that the phosphates are on the end, and then the pentose sugars next to the end, and then the 3 things that combine. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. The guanine and I can't remember their names in the middle make up the 3 with the 2 at each end, so it's 7. Those 2 and then the 3 in the middle. And the proteins are very clearly sixfold because you count the number of bonds in the peptide link. You found there are 6. The polymers are quite clearly fivefold because I mentioned there were 15 or 20. Well, it generally is it's a multiple of 5 atoms in a unit. And I think this is part of their capacity to store energy. Remember I said 5 was associated with energy storage and self-reproduction. When you join up all the diagonals of the star, you get another star. This principle of self-generation and strain is built into 5. And so if you have 5 atoms forming a unit, or 5, there can be 15 or there can be 20, but there are 5, it's multiple of 5. I strongly suspect that the stress is in the interrelationships between those atoms because the polymers are storing energy, hence they're under stress. Wood, you're releasing the energy that is stored in those bonds. When you eat the sugar, you draw on, or starch, you're drawing on that energy. So I haven't done it for 4, but the others seem to be clearly numerological in their nature. However, it would be better to come up with something very hard-nosed before you stuck your neck out on that thesis.